Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of this insulated casserole from the brand Prestige, 2 liters in capacity. So let's get started. Now this is insulated casserole. It is stainless steel. It comes with mirror finish. It's 2 liter in capacity and it is perfect if you want to keep your food hot and fresh. Now you can see the picture of the product here and it comes in this packaging. I like the fact that it comes in this nice square box, so it's perfect for gifting also. If you're thinking to gift this for a housewarming party or for some celebrations at home, some festival gifting, this is perfect. Now here it comes with double wall insulated stainless steel. Now the benefit of having a double wall stainless steel is that it helps in heat retention. So even if you're keeping chapatis in this or you're keeping any food item in this, that will remain hot and fresh for a longer time. It comes with mirror finish exterior which adds elegance and beauty to your dining table. It comes with rust proof interior, so you don't have to think that whether it's steel and it will catch rust and all. It is rust free and it also comes with this side lock type lid. Now let's quickly open the box and see how this insulated casserole looks like. Okay, let me close the box. Now here it is, stainless steel 2 liter insulated casserole. So let me take out the lid also. Wow, it looks really nice. So these are the looks. This is the first impression that you get and it is really nice. I like the shape of it. The whole design shape is very smart. You can see the Prestige branding over here. The handle also is in a shape where you can easily hold it, and then if you have to lock it, that's how you lock it. And if you want to carry this, like, you can lift this up like this also. Now if I open the lid is also very heavy. There is weight in this lid. You can feel the quality of the product. It's mirror finish and I personally like mirror finish cookware. I think they look really neat and shiny and tidy in the kitchen and they look really stylish on the dining table. So inside you also get this user manual which talks about the features that I mentioned, that it is double walled. Now double walled means it's thick. So what happens, there is this inside stainless steel, there's this outside stainless steel, and in between they do some filling that keeps your food hot for a longer time. So it's double walled, it's heavier. It's not a single plate casserole, it's double walled, so it's more durable also. Plus you get this mirror finish exterior, it's rust proof, and you get a 1-year warranty from the brand. Now only 2 things they have mentioned, that one is you should not place the casserole in oven or on gas. You can't do this, and you also can't use metal abrasive cleaning mesh. So you can't use those steel or plastic cleaning scrubs. You have to use soft sponge in order to clean this. The capacity is also good. Now 2 liter capacity means you can keep like 30-40 rotis, paranthas in this, or you can easily cook rice, some recipes that you have cooked, you can put this here. If you're going for potluck or picnic, you can easily carry this. Now here the looks are nice and it has this flat base which looks really nice, and your food gets settled evenly over here. So the weight is good. You get stainless steel finish, you get this mirror finish. It's from a good brand and you also get 1-year warranty and it can be used for so many things. Now this is a double wall casserole, 2 liter in capacity. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.